So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are well, healthy and mentally fit. So now this video is gonna be very informative and helpful for all of the students who are looking for a video what is hotel management, how the placement is. I'm gonna take you to a series of placement. Let me take you to the first part of the series. Okay, so first question is, what is placement? Placement is basically getting a job where you will be placed in somewhere, in company or in a hotel or any airline or any kind of place. That's what placement is. Now, when do you get it? In which year? So if you are an IHM student, I'm just talking about a hotel management student. Okay, so basically simple is third year mein you will get a job. What will be the eligibility criteria? First will be you have to pass all of the semesters, no matter what. Why you have to take a back? You should clear all of your semesters. You have to have a good attendance. You have to be good grade. It is important. It will like a plus point for you. Next is hotel corporate, how much they come. So lots of hotels will come. Like if you're in IHM, many of the hotels will come. Marriott, ITC, Oberoi's, and then we have Taj. Many of the hotels, lot of hotels. So all of them will come. There will be a group where they will approach to the hotels and they will come to your college for their placements. Corporate also comes for your placement. So what is corporate? Corporate is basically, it is a company. जैसे तुम hotels में you will work for all of the departments. Similarly, corporate also has working environment. So corporate is quite different from hotels, but you will have a similar kind of work to do there. From where the job are offered, it is first is offered from the hotels itself, because obviously you're a hotel management student, to hotels, and then we have corporate, then we have a retail, then we have a QSR, then we have a aviations. Okay, now what are the programs offered by all of them? Like what do they offer, kaun sa post do they offer karte hain, what will be the position in initially. Okay, so first is the programs offered is, सबसे पहले if you are in a IHM, you will get a MT program. So what is MT program? MT program is basically manager program. ठीक है, जहाँ पे तुम manager बनोगे after 18 months. Simple. 18 months में manager, assistant manager, not a manager, assistant manager. Second, you will get a supervisor level कि MT से नीचे. If you haven't done good and all, you will get an associate level. Associate is basically an employee. These are the 3 jobs they offer. Let me tell you what are the departments they'll offer you. Now there are 4 departments जो वो पहले लेंगे, जो तुम्हारे कॉलेज का जो तुम्हारा मतलब कोर्स में है. 4 departments, your housekeeping, your front office, your F&B and your kitchen. These are the 4 departments they will take. But from that also they take 2 more, which is sales and revenue management, which you haven't learned, but still they will take if you have a quite of knowledge. Talking about the salary is more important. I know everybody expects like, but I must tell you the truth is, let's not expect a lot from this course or from this hospitality industry, because obviously initially ज़्यादा you should not expect. Even I was like, okay, but now the salary expected first from the hotels. You will expect 3 to 6 lakh. It differs from hotel to hotel. I can't tell कि ये hotel इतना देता. Corporate they will provide from 3.5 to 6 LPA or 9 sometimes. Some of the company might provide 9 LPA as well, but which is your annual. I'm talking about annual. The retail is 3 to 5 LPA. That's what they will provide you. According to my college, how much I have seen in my corporate wala hotels and all, how much but they differ from hotel to hotel, from companies to companies, and from retail to retail. They differ how much they'll provide, but the range is basically this only. This is all about the simple basic questions which you all have asked. I have 7 questions मैंने अभी इसमें पूरा include किया है. What all are things which is basic you should know. I'm gonna make a very series wala video. I don't wanted to include in this video because this video will be a very long, so I just wanted to keep it short and very informative for you guys, that this is a part 1 of your placements. So please get ready for all of the videos. That's all for this video. Okay, bye. Thank you so much.